morning once again, everyone, and welcome back to a brand new episode from the beautiful southwestern part of Kara-Severin here in Romania. Just woke up super exhausted. Slept actually awful last night on a very hard bed, but that is the past. Brand new day. Ignore the dogs. Too many damn dogs are barking all of a sudden just so they can destroy my introduction. But yeah, we went to the train station. Today is gonna be all about trains. Today is gonna be about the oldest mountain train in Romania. Waiting a little bit for the cars. A lot of noise, cars, dogs, even though the landscape behind shows a tranquil, and actually let me switch, show a tranquil, picturesque landscape. Had to stop the camera again because too many damn cars are passing by this morning, even though it's a little bit rainy right now. Like I mentioned, the landscape is sensational. Okay, can't seem to get a break from all the dog barking, but yeah, let me show you guys a little bit of the landscape surrounding the area here. Damn, too many damn cars. I mean, no car has passed by. That's why I said perfect moment for introduction, but now all the cars start coming here. But guys, yeah, the weather is not going to be on our side today. You know, it's definitely a good timing for a long train ride, which is just around 30-35 kilometers, but it's going to take around 2.5 hours. We're gonna go from Anina to Oravita. This, like I mentioned, is the oldest mountain train line in Romania. It was built to take the coal from here in Anina to Oravita and then further on into the country. So yeah, the rooster has said it. Let's get on with the day. But until we're waiting for the train, decided to come at another waterfall, even though it's a little bit raining here and there. We found it along the way when we went to Bigger, and it looked quite nice. So, you know, it rained a little bit, so the flow should be a little bit better than yesterday. So yeah, you're just in front. I'm gonna turn the camera around here in a couple of minutes and take some shots, take some footage, and so on. Here she is, Krsha waterfall. So yeah, if you do come to Bigger, just head a little bit up north. You know, there's not that many parking spots here, but you know, you can find a spot, go for a couple of minutes, and then continue on with your journey. Got a little bit into the river so we can get a closer view. Again, very similar, like Bigger, and like the other waterfalls that we have seen in this region, covered in moss. You know, definitely, again, one of the unique things about these waterfalls, the moss on the rocks. And the big plants, check them out all throughout here. Haven't seen them at the other waterfalls, but this one does seem to have them all throughout. It does look quite cool with the rain on them. And the train has arrived. Quite small, but gonna embark so we can have spots, because there seems to be quite a few people embarking today on this train. And off we go. This is how the train looks like. You know, wooden benches, basic. Like I mentioned, this is the oldest mountain train in Romania, built around the 1860s or so.
Thank you.
check this out. We have passed through quite a few tunnels already. I believe it has 14 tunnels and 10 bridges, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, the landscape surrounding it, even though it's a little bit rainy, you know, the greenery is outstanding. And you gotta watch out for branches all throughout when filming at the door or at the window. Beautiful landscape all throughout, and check out, we got blue skies, outstanding. Filming on my phone just because I got the super wide mode. That way you can catch quite a bit of the train and as well as the landscape. Not sure exactly what type of train this is, but check it out. It looks like something you would use at a ceremony. But yeah, quite a few trains here just on the tracks, on abandoned tracks. Check that one out. And the journey has ended. This was a beautiful ride, and now we have beautiful weather as well. The sun has finally came out, and you know, hopefully we can do a few more things throughout the day. If not, this was the episode. And in the end, we have made it back to the accommodation. Gonna put an end to this episode here because we got a little birthday party here. So yeah, we're gonna go and cook some food, some fish, and so on, and just enjoy the rest of the evening. Thanks again for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you have not for more episodes. Until next time, gratitude should be the only attitude. Stay humble, and I'll see you then, guys. Peace out.